Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install FileZilla Client on Windows 11. So let's get started. You'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type FileZilla download. You'll get this first official link to download the FileZilla. Select it. Over here, there are two options. One is the FileZilla server. We are going to download the client. Select this. Okay, download FileZilla client. You can select this. Okay, so FileZilla client, there are different additions to the software. This is the free one. Okay, the FileZilla bundle, FileZilla Pro, and FileZilla Pro bundle. Okay, so rest you will need to purchase. You can also see the amount you need to pay to purchase this software, but we are going to download the free edition of the FileZilla. Select this download. Okay, it will start the download of the setup file. It is also available for other platforms. Okay, for Mac as well as Linux. So we have downloaded for the Windows. Once the download is complete, click on open. Okay, click on I agree. Install latest Google Chrome browser. I'll select this decline. Click on next. Anyone who uses this computer, click on next. I'll check this desktop icon. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. Click on next. I'll uncheck this. Okay, so this is the desktop icon for FileZilla client. Okay, once we launch the software, click on OK. On the left hand side, you will see the local machine folders. Okay, and once you're connected to remote site, you will be able to see the directories over here. Okay, you can connect to your website by entering the host, username, password, and the port number, and by selecting quick connect. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.